Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 36 enclosed trailer. We have our jack coupler and safety chain at the front of the trailer. There's 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of the V-nose. There's a 36-inch door on the front passenger side that comes with a bar lock. This trailer has 3 7K axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. There are stone guard teardrop fenders. This trailer has a white screwed exterior. There are push-out vents at the back and front of your enclosed trailer. This trailer does come with a spring assist loading ramp, as well as LED brake lights. There are 8 tie-down points at the bottom of your enclosed trailer, as well as 2 strips of E-track. This trailer has 2 escape doors on your driver's side, equipped with bar locks. There are 2 12-volt dome lights at the front and back of your trailer. We have our 36-inch door from the inside with a step, as well as the light switch. We have the 2 escape doors on the driver's side. This enclosed trailer is a dovetail. There is spring assist on your loading ramp. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 36 enclosed trailer with 2 escape doors on your driver's side. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.